been on this battle line for a long time. Remember one time, about 2 years ago, even more, when they closed it, we made them reopen it.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
And then the Chamber of Commerce came along, took over Grady, and they closed it.
Right.
And, you know, I remember Pete Carell saying that one of the reasons they closed it was not just to save money, but to send a message that they would make the hard decision, the hard business decision, so they could send a message to the community at large, to the good old boys, that they were serious about turning around Grady. Well, they turned around Grady, and as they turned around Grady, they're putting people in the grave.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
But they said in their headline, controversy over funding dialysis for illegal immigrants. They are God's children.
Yes.
And none of God's children are illegal anywhere, anytime, any place.
Right. Right.
If they were homeless, the headline would have said controversy over funding for homeless folks.
Right.
As if that meant something.
Right.
So what we are doing here is the most important work we could be doing. Fighting for people who can't fight for themselves, who would otherwise die quietly.
The company that makes the biggest amount of money off dialysis in the world is Fresenius. They are a German company. They make the CEO makes over $5 million a year.
Wow.
And they have not told any of the patients, and they're scared to death, that in 4 days they can have any more dialysis. No more dialysis. And these aren't people who are healthy and can go. They're afraid that if they go to Fresenius the next day, they'll be locked up or go to jail or be sent back to Mexico or wherever they are. When they were 10 years old and they came over here in a bus driven by a businessman here who wanted to hire them to work cheap in their chicken factory. I picked up a woman, sent her to Mexico because there's no place to go. Grady wouldn't take her back, and she's 34 years old and she's dead now. She's dead. She was at my house. And Grady would not take her back a year ago, and she's dead. Because they paid her $1,000 to go to Alabama and get dialysis. And she couldn't get it when she went to emergency room. These are human beings. Those people are at home scared to death right now that they're going to die 4 or 5 days so another person can get a bonus. Another CEO can get a bonus. Did Mother Teresa ask for bonuses?
No.
Was she a happy person? Yes. Because she did things for people and she cared. I don't care if somebody's from Mexico, wherever they are. We care.
They gave us a letter that says that up to the 31st they will no longer help her at all.
So what is she planning on doing on the 31st?
We're not. They told us that we're having a meeting on Sunday, but we don't know the time though. So after that, we probably need to, pay a clinic to help her out.
Does she have the money?
Not really.
Dile que preguntamos a ahora si cobran $400 por cada ciudadano.
No, we asked in the clinic. They told us that they charge $400 to help her every.
Son tres, son 1,200 a la semana.
It's like $1,200 every week so they can do her dialysis.
Because they want to make their big profit.
Not good. They're supposed to help everybody. And oh no, I can't think nothing about it right now.
Does it make you sad?
Yeah, it makes me sad. It makes me want to cry.
Is she scared?
Yeah, she's scared. She's nervous.
And your mother?
Yeah. She will be crying because they don't want to help her at all.